Ahoy mateys! In this guide we'll show you how to change the difficulty on your Windrose server. Before we make any changes, head over to your power settings and stop your server. Now head over to the file manager, and in here we're going to do some folder diving, so follow closely. Open R5, then saved, then save profiles, then default, then rocksdb, then click on your game version, then into worlds, then click on the folder with your world island ID, and finally scroll all the way down and open your world description.json. In this file you'll be able to edit your individual difficulty settings, and the settings currently on screen are the default just in case you need to undo anything. To actually change a setting, find the value at the end of the line, which will usually be a true or false or a number, and replace it with the value you want to change it to. Now we'll briefly go over what each of these settings actually does. Starting with co-op shared quests. This setting makes it so that if any player on the server completes a quest marked as co-op, it auto-completes for all the players who currently have it active. Easy Explore is an outdated label which, confusingly, when set to true, will disable markers on the map that highlight specific points of interest, making them harder to find. So ironically, if you want harder exploration, turn Easy Explore on. Mob Health Multiplier defines how much health enemies have, and Mob Damage Multiplier defines how much damage is dealt by enemies. The range for both of these is 0.2 up to 5. Ship Health Multiplier changes how much ship health enemy ships have, with a range of 0.4 to 5. Ship Damage Multiplier defines how much damage enemy ships deal, and Boarding Difficulty Multiplier defines how difficult boarding an enemy ship is, and both of these have a range of 0.2 to 5. Co-op Stats Correction Modifier adjusts enemy health and posture based on the number of players on the server, and Co-op Ship Stats Correction Modifier adjusts enemy ship health based on the number of players on the server, and both of these have a range of 0 to 2. And finally, Combat Difficulty defines how difficult boss encounters and general combat is, and this can be set to easy, normal or hard by changing the last word here. Now, once you have your settings dialed in exactly how you want them, hit save and then start your server back up and your settings will be applied. So that's how you adjust the difficulty settings on your Windrose server. As always, if you run into any trouble along the way, you can get in touch with our support team via the live chat or through the support section at the top of your panel.